How to fix Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 mouse cursor not showing, appearing after launching the game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Appier Solutions, your go-to channel for straightforward tech fixes. If you've launched Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 and your mouse cursor is missing, don't worry. In today's video, I'll walk you through a few quick and easy steps to get it back. Let's dive in. Step 1. Press the Windows key. To access Windows, press the Windows key. The cursor frequently returns after taking this easy step. Check to see if your cursor appears in the game after pressing the Windows key. Change to windowed mode in Step 2, hit Alt plus Enter. By doing this, the game enters windowed mode. At this point, the cursor ought to be visible. If it works, you can use Alt plus Enter once more to switch back to full screen mode. Step 3, select windowed mode and restart the game. End the game entirely. To end the game, press Alt plus or use your task manager. Open the game again. Press Alt plus Enter as soon as the game starts to enter windowed mode. Look for the cursor. It ought to be operational and visible now. Hope you got value from this and found the solution.